In this video, I'm doing 2% chocolate fondue. Yes, chocolate fondue. When you say chocolate dipping, for many people, first thing that come into mind is marshmallows. But for me, it's strawberries. Yes. But before making this video, I have digged a lot and came to know that it's not just strawberries and marshmallows, but there are many other things that you can have by dipping in chocolate. Let's see what they are. Welcome to our channel.
Paradise on my plate.
Firstly, I'm heating cream. The one I'm using is plant-based, but you can use single or double cream. There are no particular measurements for this. So for 200 ml of cream, I'm using around 50 to 60 grams of chocolate. Once cream is heated up, I'm adding chopped chocolate. Now start mixing until all the chocolate is melted. Better keep it in low flame until you get the right consistency for dipping. Once the chocolate is melted, add a small cube of butter. This will give you nice, shiny and luxurious look to the chocolate sauce, and it also tastes amazing. Now the chocolate dip is ready. I'm using a fondue set with a tea light candle at the bottom so that it keeps chocolate dip warm all the time. Now the fun part begins with arranging all the items together. Let's start with strawberries, marshmallows, and raspberries with blueberries. Raspberries do go well with chocolate. We all have had Jaffa cakes, but a real fresh orange do go very well with chocolate. Obviously, bread slices. And the last item in menu is dates. I have tried chocolate dipped and also nut stuffed dates in Dubai, and I have become a very big fan of them. I have also added a small tub of finely chopped nuts for dipping. I would suggest arrange this on a sunny evening and treat your family. Thank you for watching. Eat well and live healthy.